Hi guys, hello beautiful and lovely people. IGBOTIC nono community, we are the strongest, right? You guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my video consistently. Thank you for sharing me as well. I appreciate it so much. Hope you enjoyed my last video where I don't know which one is going up first, whether it's this or the other one, whether I gave various names of God in Igbo language. And in today's video we're going to be talking about types of clothes in Igbo language. That means the clothes you are wearing, you need to know what they call it also in Igbo. I feel that is important as well. Do you understand? In this channel we'll be learning so many things. That is not only learning numbers and so many things that comes up. We have to also learn it. So these are the various types of clothes in Igbo language.
Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
We have bra. In Igbo we call bra efem uchiara. Efe uchiara. The clothes that covers your breast. That's what we call it in Igbo. Bra is efem uchiala. Some people say ala, some people say ara. Just depend on the dialect, but you'll be well understood whichever one you use. Okay. Coat ochu oyi uwe elu. Coat ochu oyi uwe elu. That's if you're staying outside the country, the coat you wear during winter or during spring or something like that is called ochu oyi uwe elu. Coat ochu oyi uwe elu. Dress uwe ogologo. Dress uwe ogologo. Socks uwe ukwu. Socks uwe ukwu. Underwear uwe ime ahụ. Underwear uwe ime ahụ. That's your pants, your boxers. As long as you wear it inside, they call it uwe ime ahụ. Short you wear Nika. Short, we call it Nika in Igbo. Nika. Shirt, long sleeve shirt, just normal shirt uwe elu. Shirt uwe elu. T-shirt uwe elu akanta. T-shirt uwe elu akanta. Trouser. Trouser. I'll just put down this spelling. You see the spelling is quite different, but it sounds like it's the same pronunciation in English, but the spelling is quite different. Trouser. Jacket. Jaket. It's the same pronunciation somehow, but entirely different spelling. Panties uwe imao. Panties uwe imao. Shoe akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Sandals as well is called akpụkpọ ụkwụ too. Sandals akpụkpọ ụkwụ as well. Slippers. There's different spelling. You get. High heel akpụkpọ ụkwụ dị elu. High heel akpụkpọ ụkwụ dị elu. Suit coat. Raincoat uwe nze mmiri. Robe uwe asama ahụ. Pajamas uwe ụra. Pullover uwe mkpunyi na mkpukpu. Pullover. So guys, this brings me to the end of this very video. Hope you enjoyed it as well. So these are the different type of clothes and what it is called in Igbo. Hope you enjoyed this video as well. I appreciate you guys. Please try to share my videos, try to subscribe to this channel. It takes me a lot to do this video, being a mom as well. So the only support I need from you is to watch my videos, be interactive on the comment section, like it as well, and also subscribe to this channel for more content coming your way. Today is the 14th of February, Valentine's Day. I and my family, we are planning to go for a dinner, but I decided to drop this video since I'm already looking cute. I decided to drop this video as well, but this is not the dress I'm going to wear today. I just put this on for this video and I'll change later when while I get set for the dinner. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.